Welcome to Sabonzy Academy. So in this video, we'll be solving the question 9 of the 2017 Core Math theory questions. So question 9a. If T is equal to WP multiplying M squared minus into brackets M minus S all squared, express M in terms of T, W, P, and S. So let's begin with the solution for question 9a. So T is equal to WP times M squared minus M minus S all squared. Now this can be written as T is equal to WP multiplying M squared minus. Now M minus S all squared is the same as M minus S times M minus S. So now we have T is equal to WP multiplying M squared minus M times M is M squared, and M times minus S is minus MS. Minus S times M is minus MS, and minus S times minus S is positive S squared. Now our T will be WP multiplying M squared minus M squared minus MS is minus 2MS plus S squared. So our T then becomes WP multiplying M squared minus 1 times M squared is minus M squared. Minus 1 times minus 2MS is positive 2MS. And minus 1 times positive S squared is minus S squared. So this brings us to this expression. T is equal to WP multiplying the expression. Now M squared minus M squared is 0. So we have 2MS minus S squared. So WP will multiply everything in the brackets. We have T to be equal to 2MSWP minus WPS squared. So we are making M the subject in this equation. So then our T plus WPS squared will be equal to 2SWPM. So to make M stand alone, we divide both sides by 2SWP. So we divide here by 2SWP and here by 2SWP. So this cancels this. So our M will now be equal to T plus WPS squared all over 2SWP. Alright, so that's it for the question 9a. So moving on to the question 9b. A point X is between two towers TP and QW and are all on the same horizontal ground. The angles of elevation of the tops T and Q from X are 62 degrees and 48 degrees respectively. TP is equal to 100 meters and PW is equal to 80 meters. I illustrates the information in a diagram. So let's move on to question 9BI. So 1BI. You are being asked to illustrate the information in a diagram. A point X is between two towers TP and QW. So we have two towers. This is TP and this is QW. And we are told X is between PW. So we have X should be somewhere here. Now we are told that the angles of elevation of the tops T and Q from X are 62 degrees and 48 degrees respectively. So the angle of elevation of the top T from X, so T from X, we are told is 62 degrees. So this angle is 62 degrees. And then Q from X is 48 degrees. So this is 48 degrees. Now we are told that TP is 100 meters. So TP is 100 meters. And PW is 80 meters. From here to here is 80 meters. So from here to here will be A. And if the whole thing is 80 and from here to here is A, then from here to here will be 80 minus A. All right. So let's represent this with A. And from here to here with B. Okay. So from trigonometry, we know that tan, okay, so when we take triangle TPX, which is this. The pole makes an angle of 90 with the ground. And we have 6200. So we can say that tan 62 should be equal to opposites, which is 100, over the adjacent, which is A. So then A will be equal to 100 divided by tan 62. So A will be equal to, so when you divide 100 by tan 62, we should get 53.17 meters. But then we are being asked to find QW. So we are being asked to find QW. So from here to here is 53.17. So 53.17. And the whole of this is 80. So then we know that A plus B is equal to 80. And A is 53.17. So plus B is equal to 80. So our B becomes 80 minus 53.17. Hence, B is equal to 26.83. So taking triangle XQW, which is this. This is 90. This is Q. This is W. And this is X. And this is 48 degrees. And this is 26.83. So we can say that tan So tan 48 is equal to the opposite, which is the line QW, all over the adjacent, which is 26.83. So our line QW will be equal to 26.83 tan 48. So line QW should be equal to, so 26.83 tan 48 should give 29.80. However, we've been asked to correct the nearest meter, and so QW will be equal to 30 meters to the nearest meter. Alright, so this brings us to the end of the question 9. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.